Fresno County is still not meeting the required number of 1,500 tests per day for COVID-19. So the city is stepping in to help. CBS 47's Angelica Leilani joins us live from downtown Fresno. And Angelica, the city could use money from the federal CARES Act for mobile testing.
Yes, I'm told that the plan is to use about $5 million from those funds, and I'm told that City Council will vote on this mobile testing tomorrow.
One of the biggest challenges is in South Fresno, we have a huge gap of healthcare facilities, unlike North Fresno, where we have a lot of hospitals and medical clinics.
To help bridge that gap, Fresno City Council President Miguel Arias says instead of waiting for the county and state, he wants to use $5 million from the city's Federal CARES Act fund to launch mobile testing.
We're bringing the testing sites to the neighborhoods, which is a much better model for the most vulnerable populations that we have, especially our elderly. They're not as mobile as you might find in some of the more middle-class neighborhoods.
This past weekend, a pop-up testing site was held at the Westside Church of God in Southwest Fresno. There, 204 people were tested, 5 tested positive.
We know that if we did that every single weekend, hundreds of people would show up.
Currently in Fresno County, there's 2 COVID-19 testing sites, one at Fresno City College, the other in Sanger. Per state requirements, 1,500 people should be getting tested per day. Right now, the county says it's around 1,000.
OptumServe can do up to 130 tests per day, every day. So we really feel like that would really help us boost our testing capacity is if we had another high throughput site.
Now, if this passes, I'm told the extra testing could start within the next 30 days. Reporting live in downtown Fresno, I'm Angelica Leilani, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.
As Fresno County continues to accelerate its reopening process, the health department is ramping up their contact tracing team. That team includes school nurses, and training begins this week. Our Angelica Leilani joins us live from Fresno State, where those classes will be held. Angelica.
Well, because in-person classes are not happening right now here at Fresno State, the college is simply being used for its large classrooms. Now, the health department says these new sessions come as the state implemented a new program to help with contact tracing. In Fresno County, the health department says about half of the COVID-19 cases are close contact related. This week, they're increasing their contact tracing team after the state implemented a new program.
From what I've heard of it, it's going to be a lot more collaborative. So we're going to be able to work with our partners outside of the county to help us do this contact tracing as far as, congregate settings, places that see a lot of people, and people that have that capacity to help us out and do this.
Michael Flores, co-lead for the contact tracing team for the Fresno County Health Department, says one of the big collaborations will be with school districts.
We're going to be hiring some of the school nurses to be trained on a lot of this stuff so that when school does start happening, they'll be able to take that to each of their respective districts and help us do this contact tracing if there is a case in any of their areas.
The sessions will be held at Fresno State and will be a 2-day training. The health department says right now they have about 110 people on their contact tracing team. The new class will bring them up to about 130, but they plan on including more down the line.
We're hoping that our community-based organizations will be able to help us out with this, faith-based organizations, just places where there's a lot of people around.
And the Fresno County Public Health Department says that they are still working with Fresno State using their lab to help process COVID-19 tests. Reporting live in Fresno, I'm Angelica Leilani, KC24 Local News that matters.
Our news at this hour, tracing COVID-19. Fresno County has launched a new contact tracing program at Fresno State. The idea is to expand contact tracing and help stop the spread of the virus. CBS 47's Angelica Leilani joins us live in Fresno. Angelica, the program is an effort to trace the spread of the virus.
Yes, the curriculum is aimed at really pinpointing the people and areas that those who test positive for COVID-19 have been in close contact with. Now, those taking part in today's course really believe that this is an extra tool to help slow the spread of the virus in our community.
Oh, this is a wonderful opportunity.
Janelle Murillo with Fresno State is one of several people taking part in a 2-day contact tracing training course provided by the Fresno County Department of Public Health.
It helps the whole county. The more people that are informed of the process and that can assist the county in terms of being able to reach out to individuals and offer the support that they need and give them that direction, it's just really critical.
The health department says this training is a hybrid course. Those taking part in it are learning from real cases while also learning from modules developed by UCLA.
They will be kind of just jumping in and helping us do the contact tracing for all these new cases that are being diagnosed, so that we can figure out who do we need to put into quarantine, who do we need to recommend to get tested in terms of their household or work-related contacts, and what's the source to see if we can track it back to a potential outbreak.
As more places in the county begin to reopen, Fresno County is seeing a spike in positive COVID-19 cases. The health department says having school nurses, faith-based organizations, and others a part of the contact tracing team will really benefit the community.
We want this to be something that serves all of the populations that we need to serve. And we feel like that the best way to do that is to have contact tracers that understand where people meet, where people greet, where people live, where people work, where they get transported back and forth, and really just all of the really small, fine details about the ways that coronavirus can be spread.
And the health department says that they are also working with the state for an app that will also help with contact tracing. Reporting live in Fresno, I'm Angelica Leilani, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.